Hi everyone, and welcome back to another crafting video. In today's video, we're going to be learning how to work with vinyl and placing it onto a mug. We're going to be customizing the design as well as measuring out and learning how to see what kind of surface area is workable when working with mugs that are different shapes. As you'll see in the video, our mug that we will be using has a curved edge to it. So not every space that's available on the mug is workable and ideal to place our vinyl. The design that I'll be doing today is for a friend who just recently got a puppy. So we're gonna be making her a dog mom mug. Let's get started on this project. These will be the materials we will be using for this project. So first off, I have my teckwrapcraft squeegee tool along with my teckwrapcraft weeding tool. I'm going to be using the black lined grid transfer tape for this project, as well as black matte, and also I'll be using the white matte vinyl. This is the coffee mug we'll be using for this project, and of course we're going to need our standard tech wrap mat. For this project, I went over to Cricut Design Space and searched up Dog Mom under the images, and I found this design that I really liked. However, since I know my vinyl image was going to be small, I decided to add a square offset in order to make the thin parts of the letters a little thicker. And later on, you're gonna see that this was a really good choice. So I'm going to go ahead and wield my image with the offset result and get it to about 2 inches or a little more, because that's the surface area I will be working with on this mug. And I really like this style of font with the dog print that is used in the letters. So I'm actually going to go ahead and take that same paw print for adding little other paw prints around the mug. So I'm going to do this by duplicating my image and contouring out all the letters and keeping the doggy paw. And then, since I am thinking this is going to be a two-tone mug, I'm going to size around the paw. Once I have the size to my liking, I'm actually going to go ahead and make a bunch of paws, and for some of them I will be turning them black. So here I'm going to now change the colors of my vinyl, and other paws I'm gonna make them white to make this really nice and chic two-toned mug. Now it's time for the weeding part, and I'm so happy that we made the font a little thicker, because as you can see, it's actually still pretty thin, but it's definitely something that we can work with. So weeding out all these little spaces, everything looks great and nothing has lifted. Now, since the person I am giving this mug to is a righty, I'm going to make sure that when they hold the mug, Dog Mom is actually on the outer side when they drink their coffee. So I'm going to go ahead and take note of where exactly I'm going to want to place that part of our design. So now that I have all that on my transfer tape, placing down the squeegee, I'm going to place my mug on top of the squeegee. The two ridges on the squeegee actually help me a lot to keep my object in place, especially when it comes to rounded objects. So I'm going to eyeball about where and how straight my image is on the mug. And I'm actually really impressed with the way this vinyl laid on the mug, because not only is it naturally just round like a mug, but it's also pretty round going downward. So the bottom parts of Mom did not crease at all or bubble up as it would with rounded objects. And here comes the fun part. Now it's time to place the doggy paws all around the mug, and you have full free range of creativity here. You can use any pattern that you'd like or place them anywhere. Just like that, we have created the most perfect gift for a new dog mom. Thank you guys so much for following along on this tutorial with me. If you liked this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye!